Two different squadrons, but none more famous than 617 Squadron, better known as the Dam Busters. And even though the base has closed, a special commemorative window has now been put in place in the church in Scampton village. We've been to have a look ahead of an official opening next month.
The window it's in memory of everybody who was lost, as well as a celebration of the 617 Squadron. So we've got the We Forget at the bottom, and then I've got hand-fused and painted poppies all around that, and then above that you've got the two badges with their mottos underneath. Then just below those I've got two pieces of yellow glass coming down into a V formation over some water, so I've got hand-crushed fused glass underneath to represent water, and these two lines represent the lights that were underneath the Lancaster bomber. And so when the lights came down together into a V, they knew they were at the right height to drop the bomb. And then finally, really, really small, I've got all the squadron codes for all the Lancaster bombers that went on the damming raid.
And the Lancasters. These were the names that now filled the communiques, telling of the increasing attacks on industrial targets in Europe. Crews trained overseas in the Empire speeded the enormous expansion of bomber command.
This window is commemorating the 516 people of 617 Squadron who actually died in World War II. But also it remembers the 1,600 people that were killed during the bombing of the dam in March. We actually have a delegation of Germans coming over from that village, and they've asked to come over, and it's peace and reconciliation and friendship.
We do countless restoration jobs all the time, but this is quite special to do a one-off window like this, so yeah, it's great to be part of.
Kind of mildly terrified and really pleased. I want to look and not look all at the same time. Oh, heck. To finally get the full view is absolutely amazing. I'm so pleased with it. I'm very relieved as well.
That could have been a disaster, couldn't it? Looking forward to seeing the window in the church later this year. Now,